don't you think it is ironic that you benefited from this so-called political dynasty and yet you don't like, the history, the whole picture?
No, I benefited from it. Meaning, I'm the product of a dynasty in our district, in our province, perhaps. And I am against it, but I have not participated in any vote with respect to it, given the conflict of interest that I have, given that I'm a product of a dynasty. Um, I don't think we should pass the political dynasty law, simply put, because it gives the image or impression that we don't trust the Filipino voter, that the Filipino voter cannot decide for himself or for herself what is best for the country. At the end of the day, it's still one person, one vote. Even if he's the child, wife, sister, brother, uncle of the incumbent, let the people decide whom they want to serve as member of Congress, as mayor, governor, or any